Hello everybody, I just want to give a quick tip on maintaining a grill. This is the Oklahoma Joe Smoker that I got. I think I'm on my third year, possibly in any fourth year. I'll have to look that up and put it in the notes. But my quick secret on keeping it looking really sharp on the outside and a nice black glisten to it. Here's the secret. WD-40. And let me throw the disclaimer up there. This is to be used on the outside only. Do not use this on the interior. I repeat, do not use WD-40 on the inside of your grill. And also, do not use your grill or use WD-40 on the grill while it is hot. I had to come out and we had a storm last night. I was not able to cover my grill. However, with WD-40 on it, water beads up a little bit and you can quickly wipe it off. I do this about once a year. Just take WD-40, spray on it. I take an old sock actually, and I just wipe it in. Do not leave any residue behind. Buff it off, make it shiny, make it look pretty. And any little spots, like I had a spot over here, I don't know if you can see it in the video, started getting slight rust beads on it. Spray a little oil on it. That will definitely slow down the process. Will not eliminate it, but it'll slow it down, and if it gets really bad you can even sand it down and put some black heat resistant paint on it. On the inside of the grill I still have to clean mine, but once a year I scrape it really good and then I put vegetable oil on the inside of everything. There it is, my quick tip of the day on maintaining the Oklahoma Joe Smoker and grill. Have a good day.